Good evening, I am Bipin Thomas. You are 14 CS221. I am here to do my 6th experiment on web technology lab. And this is the web page that I have created, asking 5 questions mainly. First one is to create a digital clock, as you can see in this web page, 18, 29, 57. And moving on to the next question, they have asked to create a dynamic background with changing background images. So as you can see, this background color is changing with every seconds. And moving on to the next question. Next question, they have asked to change the font size when the cursor is moving on to the text. So as you can see here, as my cursor is moving into the text, my font is increasing, as you can see here, and when my cursor is taken, it will be as usual. And moving on to the fourth question, it is they have asked to run this animation. For that, start. As you can see, the car is moving to the right, and if you are going to stop it, it will come back to the starting position. So for that, the idea behind it is that that left command, we have given 0 pixel for making it in the initial position. For moving it to right, we have increased the pixels, and we have moved it to right using the different commands, as you will see it later. And moving on to the last question, this is to arrange the different books with different authors yearly. So before 1980s, there will be book B to book A, or book B, book E, and after 1980s, there are book A, book C, book D, which are published. So moving on to the first questions, page source program code. So this is the program code that I've used for designing the first web page. So this is the usual web page. The main similarity is that in this JavaScript, we have created a display function, and inside that I have created a date function for the in order to see the date. And using this document.getElementById time, I have added this hours and d.get minutes and seconds, and using the set interval, this display function will change with different values in every set intervals. So that is all with my question number 1. And going to the question number 2 is page source. This is the program code that I've used for dynamic background color. The rest of everything is similar to earlier, and the difference is that in the JavaScript code, I have defined a set background color, and inside that, using math.random function, I have randomly selected different red, blue, green colors, and I have added to get elements by tag name. And inside that, I have added the color, and with different set intervals, the color will change to different colors. And that is all with question number 2. And going to question number 3, when the cursor moves to this text, it will show largely, as you can see here. So for this, I have created a program code using this, and here you can see a function increase, and when this cursor is taken, it will be 50 pixel, and if in order to decrease the size, when the cursor is taken, it will give it to 0 pixel. Not 0 pixel, 50 pixel as default. And in order to increase size, we will on mouse over. On mouse over means whenever the cursor goes to the text. On mouse over command, as you can see here, is used whenever the cursor moves to the text. This increase size function will be called, and whenever the on mouse out command is used whenever the cursor moves out from the text, given text, then this decrease size function will be used. For increase size function, different statements are given: document.getElementById, para1, style.font size. It will increase the size by 50 pixel, and for decrease size, document.getElementById, para1, style.font size, original. It will give the original default font. So moving on to my 4th question, in order to start and stop. For that, I have used this given page source. This is also similarly the same program code that I've used, and the change is in this JavaScript. I have used a image source command to add an image for this car, as you can see here, and using PNG and ID my image. And whenever we click on move right, that is value start. Value start means this one. This is the start value, and move right function will be called. And whenever we comes to or we click stop command, stop function will be used. So for move right function, this is the function. We said that this is the statement: image objects dot style dot left parseInt object dot image style dot left plus 10 plus pixel. So pixel it will move on to right with the different values to it. And whenever we call this stop function, this will come to the starting initial position, that is 0 pixel. So this is all with question number 4, and finally coming to question number 5. This is the page source that I have created, and inside that I have created a various books title, book A, and it's written by author A, year 2000, published year, and using the similarly everything, and using this i.books.length, I have added every book commands and titles and author to it. And using this for if statement, if else statement, I have arranged it in before 1980s and after 1980s. So if percent books of 5 dot year less than, if the year is less than 1980, then the such and such books will be displayed, and else if the book year is greater than 1980, such and such books will be displayed. So this is all with my website, and thank you. And here ends my 6 exp.